Okay, so our next goal we want to complete is adding tiles. Adding tiles are the squares all around this web mix. If I hover over one, it will say add a tile. I'm going to go back to my tutorial web mix and demonstrate what to do. I'll hover over one and I'll left click on one of my blank tiles. On the left side, this page should pop up. And I want to add tiles, so I'm going to click create a tile. If I want to add a specific website link, then I'll copy and paste it onto the top bar. Through the drop down menu, you can add news, radio, or embed the link into the web mix. So I'm going to keep the address right here. Right now I'm going to keep the website. The next box, it says name on the tile. I want to make it look neat, so I'll put example. Okay. I'm going to put example on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click show text so it looks very nice and neat. Here comes the part where we can customize our tiles with pictures and or icons. You can choose a color or add an image, so I'm just going to show you the difference. I'm going to choose purple, or I can go to here and choose icon. So all of these different options pop up. Typically, I always like to do a sticker because it looks very clean. So I'm going to find a sticker maybe to relate something with the website. Maybe find a computer. Not sure where that computer is, but I'm just going to do something random. There we go. I'm going to do a link. And you could change the text color so you can see that it says example to white. Now if I wanted to add an image instead of using a color and a sticker, I can actually just add a tile. Choose from file, and then I could go through and pick whichever one I want to use. Upload. And now this is going to be my new tile. So it should pop up. Just going to take probably a few minutes to pop up because it's got a resolute and everything. Okay, so for some reason it's not popping up, which is okay. I'm just going to use that one for now. And the next thing, make sure you do is save your tile. And there it is. Our next goal is editing a tile, which is pretty simple to do. We are going to right click on the example and a selection should show up. I'm going to click on edit, and the exact same page when we were creating a tile shows up. You can change the color or anything else. Make sure you click save after. So I'm going to, instead of doing an icon, I'm going to do an icon. I'm going to do a sticker instead so I can change it. And please make sure you save everything, or else it's not going to go. Now, it's important to be very organized in your Symbaloo, and I actually have a few web mixes that are similar. So if you want to organize it, all you have to do is left click and drag to whatever position you want it. If you want to look through my Symbaloo, I have examples of organized and unorganized Symbaloos to give you kind of an idea.